Hi, my name is Daniel Serrano, and I am Program Coordinator at University of Maryland's Combined Program, which stands for Computation and Mathematics for Biological Networks. So what I want to do today is give you an idea of our program curriculum and some assessment results that evaluate that curriculum. And so if you want to learn more about our fellows, our research, and how we implement that, I encourage you to go to this link here or to this event's online portal to download a file of the poster so that you can look at it in more detail. So the way that we think about Combine is that we integrate physics and mathematics, life sciences, and computational science and engineering in order to enable this research in network biology. That is the theme of our program. And educationally, the way that this manifests itself is that we recruit fellows that are in PhD programs from each of these three disciplines, and our fellows go through a curriculum where they will gain skills and knowledge from the two disciplines where they do not originate, and then they all converge, regardless of their discipline of origin, into this set of courses and seminars that we created for Combine to enable interdisciplinary research. So the program components we divide into two: coursework and broadening activities, where the coursework includes electives in discipline bridging classes, seminars that we created for Combine, and two core courses that we created for Combine. And so if you want to learn more details about all these courses and the broadening activities, which include workshops and symposia, you can go to this link here to look at descriptions of each of them. So now that we're 5 cohorts into our program, we're able to assess if these program components that I just described allow us to fulfill our program goals, which we divide into interdisciplinary research skills, interdisciplinary communication skills, and career preparation. And each of these goals is divided into 4 sub-goals that you can take a look at in more detail if you download the PDF of our poster. But so the way that we do this is that after the fellows complete all their requirements, they take a survey, and one of the questions asks them if each of the program components help them fulfill each of the program goals. And this table shows that those results as percentages. And so what this allows us to do is gain insight into what program components help with the goals that we had in mind, such that we can, for example, see that our data project interdisciplinary communication training course across the board does pretty well in fulfilling the communication goals. This also allows us to see, for example, that our career preparation was not as heavily emphasized in our coursework, but then our broadening activities helps fill some of those gaps. So this type of tool allows us to improve our program, and I encourage you to look at these in more detail so that you can identify some goals that you might have and match them with some of the components, and we'll be happy to share information about these components if you're interested in fulfilling any of these types of goals. So with that, I'll just end by thanking and acknowledging the rest of the team, in particular our evaluators who worked on putting together these assessment data. Thanks.